liquidity. So for me this morning, I targeted um, right here, right? The bottom of this little trend line liquidity. So I scaled out most here. So let that go. Bing. Scaled out most there, got break even on the runner. And then the rest of the day has just been chopping. So that's the
Okay.
example from today. Let's go to yesterday. And it really is, that's literally it. So here's the
You know, it was
example
hard today too.
from,
CPI was this morning. That's true.
yeah. And so,
Hard to trade on CPI days.
yeah. And so to also throw this out there, in our back testing, we've actually not been taking the trade on CPI days. So,
Mhm.
because in the back testing, the results were not very good with it. So we're not, I haven't been, in live time, I'm still taking it because I don't really care. I'm trying to get the data.
Yeah.
Is that only work on NAS? I have not tested on anything else. So for now, yeah. So here's
Okay,
yesterday's
for sure. New
example,
strat. New strat. Go ahead.
right? Here's yesterday's example. 930 wick print. We got the 930 high, the 930 low. You get one candle to close below. There's your entry there. Short. I targeted this London low here for my scale spot, this London low and all these stacked lows. And so there's that. And so the cool the cool part about this strat is for people that don't have a lot of time, you're usually done in the first 10, 15 minutes of market open. So whether you're red or green, if you don't have time, you can take this trade and be like, all right, cool, I'm moving on to the next day. So that was
Well, so you wait, so it closes below, and
Tuesday.
then you get a continuation down, right? Whatever direction.
Yeah.
Do you have to have
So
like
if we were,
previous? Let's say if London was open, or what if London lows or Asian lows were taken? Would you still want to do that, or would you have a
so
different bias?
for that, and this is the cool part about this, I'm literally trying to make this as like dumb simple as possible. So it's like the only thing you should
Blinders
really have
on.
to
Don't
watch
even pay
for,
attention to
yeah,
the others.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So the only thing you watch for, did we get the close? Yes or no? My stop loss is 50 points. Where's my scale spot? I want that to be like all you have to think about, right? Because who wouldn't want a strategy that is super simple?
Yeah.
Like if I could teach my mom or my dad or my grandma how this works, then it's simple enough, My grandma's probably a stretch. There's no way she could figure this out, but
That's fun.
Mondays got wrecked. Which, no strategy is 100%. So Mondays got destroyed.
No, that happens. PA has been really bad this week, apparently. I've been hearing that from
Yeah,
a
PA's
lot of
not been the
people.
greatest. PA's not been the greatest.
July was good. It looked like PA was.
July was insane. I think the 930 wick model lost 4 times in July, something like that. Where's
Funny.
my lightsaber?
You know, it's
my
crazy. I was
lightsaber out of the
talking
way.
to someone, and they were telling me how like, oh, it looks like every July the market makers just take a vacation together. It's just
Yeah,
really
that's
easy.
possible, man. It's just
Then they
dude,
come
the
back.
market makers.
Isn't
Oh, dude, I
that
gotta see.
funny?
Sorry, chat. I was not paying attention to chat because I was trying to explain all that. Have I been paying attention to ICT's recent teachings? No. I watched the 2024 mentorship like 6 times, and then that was good for me. And once you get to a point where you're comfortable enough, there's kind of like, for me anyway, there's kind of no need to keep like just adding more and more and more and more and more. Like, yes, it's always good to keep learning stuff, but for me, I want my trading to be as simple as possible. I don't want to sit here and be confused waiting for a setup all day.
Right?
300 more and have rapid 50K unfunded. Nice.
Yeah, our
So,
biggest recommendation for people is, find your strategy, make it your own, and master it. Don't try to master 5 different
yeah,
strategies because then they're gonna
exactly.
confuse you, and then you're gonna be like, "Oh, that was for this strategy," and then you're gonna mess up. Just
Exactly.
focus on one, master it, and then rinse and repeat.
Yep. Um, and that's one thing I'm really loving about this 930 model, because it's like you're guaranteed to get to try it every day. Like
Yeah.
you're gonna get to try it every single day. It's a guarantee that setup triggers. And so it's easy to like get the consistency. It's easy to back test. You can basically speed run back testing. Just 930 candle, wait, try it. 930 candle, wait, try it. But obviously the IFEG setup is the most reliable and the most well known. Like that one's used by more people than just me. So that's my main strategy. That one I'll be like, that's the strategy I'll be copy trading or sizing up or trading fundeds or accounts that I really care about. I'll be taking IFEGs. But for now, I'm really studying this 930 wick because it's really simple.
That's awesome.
Looks like Sweaty TP is going to come, but slow. Someone said, how many points? So for points, contract sizes. So for points, it's just going to be, so you could just take either your position tool or your measuring tool and just measure 50 points. Right. And that'll be your stop loss. But you want to adjust your risk using MNQ. Oh, I just tried to drag that to my other chart. That was stupid. You would calculate your risk using MNQ, right? So right click on this, create limit order. Say you want to risk $250 on this trade. It's going to tell you, okay, here, you can risk 2 units. You can risk 2 micros on this trade. All right. So definitely use the position tool to calculate your size, like for any strategy. Do you ever trade pre 930? No, not really.
That's too early.
Yeah,
I mean, I guess where are you
dude,
from
I'm West
actually,
Coast,
Anthony?
bro. I'm West Coast.
Yeah.
I'm in
What
Oregon, bro.
part?
I'm in
Okay,
Oregon, bro.
for sure. We're in
Yeah,
California,
so
man, so we're not too far away from you, but we're over here in Cali.
nice. Yeah, I got a bunch of family down in Cali, down in Monterey.
I have family down or I guess up in Oregon.
Up in Oregon.
I don't
Yeah,
even, yeah.
I love it up here. We live in a
Does it
town.
rain a lot? I heard it rains a lot.
Not particularly where we're at, but there is areas where it does rain a lot. Right now, the town I live in has like a population like 2,000 people.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I live like out in the forest, out in the woods. Like we like wake up to like big ass deer out front and shit.
That's so awesome. Yeah, that's awesome, man. I know
It's the
Tori
really
wants to have
cool
some
part
deer out
is
of his house too. Oh, by
yeah.
the way, I don't know if you know, that's Tori. Tori's my co-host right here. He's also part of the ops team. So
Yes, sir.
Tori
Definitely.
hasn't talked at all this entire like stream so far.
Dude,
I
it's
think he
probably
said
because
2
I've
words.
been running my mouth the whole time.
No, it's all good. Keep doing it. Tori's just a quiet guy. That's why I'm here, so I can fill in what he doesn't
Tell
say.
him about his chain. Bend. Okay, so
Yeah, sorry.
FFF TV Bend. I live 30 minutes south of Bend, so I'm right by Bend.
I wonder where my in-laws live. I think they live in Bend. I feel like they do.
Bend is gorgeous, man. Bend is ridiculous. 90 people. Oh, damn. 90 people. Whoa.
Well, once we get to 100, we're gonna do a fire
Klamath
storm.
too? Okay, listen. I moved. Klamath is where I grew up. I spent basically my whole life growing up in Klamath.
Oh God, Klamath.
And I regret it. No, I'm playing.
That's so funny.
Yeah, this market is so choppy, but it makes it easier to hang out with the chat, I guess. This was the only
Right, it
possible
does,
trade.
and that's what's fun.
Yeah,
Guys,
exactly.
that fire sale king, just so you know, ended. That was a 15-minute fire sale this morning, guys. We're gonna drop a lot more of those, guys, because they're a lot of fun to drop. But we're gonna keep dropping fire sales. Like I said, we get to 100 people watching us, which we're 7 people away. We'll drop a fire sale.
Oh boy.
And I'm considering Anthony's favorite account that he's trading right now. Kind of scares me.
Oh, hold up. A fire sale for directs? Oh,
Yep.
Straight to funded, huh?
those are my favorite, man. Those are the best. I'm just
Look,
kind
I
of at the
bet it's
point
gonna
where
happen. Let me just
evals
put
are.
it in my chat. Yeah. 20.
I don't want to trade evals if I can avoid it. It's good to practice. They're good to practice, but
Let's do it. All right, chat. Any
we gotta
questions
get
on
more
his strategy?
people.
Go ahead and please drop the questions, guys. You know, like you said, he trades pretty much. I mean, based off the description, I saw ICT.
Yeah. So my main focus is basically just liquidity, internal, external liquidity, buy side, sell side with an entry model of inversion fair value gaps. Have I watched Landman? No. Let me. There was one this morning that wasn't bad, but it ended up being like a break-even play. Oh, it's this 1 minute right here. So we pushed up, manipulated up with this fair value gap here. We got this bullish candle, right? We swept this high. So we put in basically a protected high inside of this 2 minute fair value gap here. So we have our first confluence, liquidity sweep. Our second confluence is our delivery, right? So 2 minute right here, delivery. Third confluence, an inverse of 9 points or more. So we just measure that out, and there's that. And the fourth confluence was targets. So we had the swing low down here, the swing low down here. Right? So that worked for about good 50 points. I mean, that's
enough. That's good.
That's a done for the day. You know, you don't need a lot.
You don't need a lot, guys.
You don't need a lot. Who in here tries to hold for the craziest TP every single time? Don't lie.
Yeah, guys. Who's the most?
You don't need. That's usually me. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I take like longer trades.
Dude, hey, so the thing is if it's part of your strategy, that's one thing. But if it's like a hope and a prayer type of thing. So what I like to do is I like to just try and leave a runner. I like to secure most and leave a runner. So occasionally we'll catch plays where we'll have like 100, 150 point runner TPs. But for the most part, I like to just, for me personally, I like being out as soon as possible. I like as soon as I see a dollar amount that I'm like, oh, I like that. I'm like, we can scale there, you know, or just like the most generous, the most high probability scale points. Those are my favorite. I'm not the guy that tries to hold for crazy profits. I'll leave a runner for as long as I can, but I like to get out most of my position ASAP. I wouldn't say a quick scalper, but yeah, I guess. Quick meaning probably anywhere between 3 to 15 minutes, depending on the 930 wick strategy works a lot faster because the volatility is always way higher. So that one usually doesn't last as long, but IFEGs will take a little bit more time. So depending on the strategy, the 930 wick, 10 minutes or less usually. If it takes longer than 10 minutes, usually it's gonna get wrecked.
How many contracts usually trade?
So on a 100K account, I've been doing like 8 micros, 7 or 8 micros, risking anywhere from like 750 to like 1,000 maybe, and then scaling out most at my nearest liquidity, whether that's Asia low, London low, the top of this LRLR, anywhere that's reasonable to me. If it's too far, then I'll just pick somewhere closer, you know. But what are the chances you bless me with an FFF account? What are the chances you pick the right number that I'm thinking of between 1 and 100? I knew that was gonna happen.
All right, guys. 3 more people, and we're dropping the 2 more people at 100. Let's go, guys.
Hey.
Fire sale dropping now. Let's go.
All right.
I just
The
dropped this,
number
so
was
stop typing the
actually
numbers. Guys, 20
75%
uses
off straight to
only.
fundeds.
75% off straight to
Whoa.
funded, 25Ks and 50K, and only 1 use
Whoa.
per person. Buy or sell, guys. Once again,
Whoa.
buy or sell, guys. Take advantage. These will drop
You guys
too
better
quick.
hurry. I'm out here reaching for my wallet.
Guys, I think,
I need
yeah.
to snag one of those.
Yeah, seriously.
It's actually
That's
crazy.
the highest sell, isn't it? Isn't that
Yeah,
crazy?
that's nuts.
I'm
I've
feeling
never
it.
seen that. I thought when I saw 60% way back, I was like, whoa, that's the best deal ever.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I remember when we did that. That was
The
crazy.
60% was crazy. I definitely grabbed like 2 of those. The number was 8, by the way. The number was 8 for the bro. We got the Kobe rookie card under the monitor at all times, bro.
Guys, the
What up,
fire
Noli?
sale dropped.
Fire
You
sale
guys
is
use it
going.
yet? 75% off Premier, 75% off straight to funded, one-time use.
Yeah, that's nuts, dude. You guess 7? Oh, that's pretty close then. Dude, that's a crazy sale though, straight up.
Right? It is. It's a good one.
Like,
No more
funny.
Gibby Goblins. We have a lot of Gibby Goblins in here. Just come in for giveaways. So we've been doing these fire sales for people that are actually, you know.
Dude, that makes sense, bro.
It's a good method.
You collect basketball cards? Nah,
Look,
I don't
someone
really
already
collect
bought an
basketball
account.
cards. Someone got one? Nice, good job.
Yeah, Rands, congrats.
I don't
Who's
collect them. My
Ranzo?
brother got me this for my birthday, so got one. W, nice. No codes. The codes are there. The codes are there. Here are the codes.
It looks like everyone might have one in their
Uh-oh.
yeah, maybe everyone has gotten one in their they're checking out right now.
Ooh, the carts are loaded.
Guys, these go fast. I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's insane.
These go
dude.
on fast. So take advantage. If you see it, hop into it because people Guys, the Premier account for $23 is crazy though.
Yeah, that's nuts. Damn, that's all
Not
she
working.
wrote. Duck race? Dude, we can't fit we can't fit this many.
Yeah,
The ducks.
it's
What up?
been
What
used
up,
already.
J-Ram?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people have used it. I think 13 more have it in their carts.
Sponge, you gotten what happened to your Prime account, bro? I gave you one a while ago.
Guys, if we get
Full ported
to
CPI.
150, then we'll do another drop. We're already at
150.
117. That's a lot, yeah.
All right. Let me ping my server too.
I feel that too. Okay, how far is Happy Valley? You know where that's at, Anthony?
Happy Valley. Let me look. Happy Valley. Happy Valley is
Sponge. It's not true.
about an hour from me. So it's 41 miles from me. It's
Damn,
it's
that's
right
crazy.
by
That
Mount
family over there.
Bachelor. Nice.
I'll be going over
Right
there
by
this year, I
Mount
think.
Bachelor.
So.
Dude, go
So
go
if you're
during the
down, we
winter
should
and
get
hit
some
Mount
lunch, man.
Bachelor. Yeah, let's do it.
Definitely. We'll
Let's
get
do
some
it.
lunch or something.
Who wants to claim? I
Yeah,
want to remove my code from the code. Bro's trying to sell his code. Who wants to claim? I'll remove my code. Okay, Q's best code.
So how many people do you get watching you usually on a stream, Anthony?
Probably anywhere between 30 and 50. Yeah. Drone access.
Yeah, we're trying to work our
50,
numbers
yeah,
up as
30.
well. We've had different streams
Yeah.
where we usually get around 70, and then when we do giveaways 100.
Yeah.
when we do scheduled giveaways, we gotten up to 400.
Yeah,
So
everyone loves giveaways, man. It's just
yeah,
like
no, they're fun for sure. Guys, if we can hop over to YouTube real quick, I might, once we get to 125, I'll spin the wheel once or something. But let's hop over to YouTube because YouTube, we have a spin the wheel, makes it fair for people. Make sure you guys like and subscribe as well. Anthony, you're also on YouTube, by the way, just so you know. You're gonna be
Oh,
on
dang.
FFF TV. We have
Do I
2.64
have?
subscribers.
Oh, wait. Has there just been chat on there the whole time?
Yeah,
There has.
YouTube too. Everyone, can people catch you on
Bro,
YouTube too, or you just stream on
you.
Discord?
I
I
stream
forgot about
only in
YouTube, not gonna lie.
Discord.
I forgot about
Um,
YouTube.
yeah, I
But
stream only
guys,
in
migrate over
Discord.
to YouTube. Let's get this up.
Yeah, check them out, guys.
Expecting greatness. Expecting
Here we
greatness.
go. Here we go. Here we
Expecting
go.
greatness. Expecting
Here we
greatness.
go. Let me mute that so I can pull the chat over here so I can see this chat too. My bad, YouTube chat. I wasn't hating. I just forgot.
Don't worry, I did too. You guys migrate over. We get to 125 people watching us on YouTube. We'll go ahead and drop a givey code. That's a giveaway too. That's different. That's not the fire sale. That's straight up giveaway.
Giveaways, yeah, you don't have to buy. You'll get Tory tatted if you win. Okay.
This guy's obsessed with Tory, just so you know. If you can't tell.
I gotta see that.
So, how long
Take a
have you
stab,
guys
no
been
kidding.
trading?
I've been trading for
So,
like
Tory?
6 years.
you want to go first, Tory, or
6
me?
years?
I
How long have you been
actually,
trading, David?
I'm not much of a trader at all. Actually, I actually have a
Oh,
background in
okay.
science and biology.
Oh,
But my brother
damn.
was the one who put Tory onto trading for sure. He's a big trader. He's been trading for since he was 18, so I was 16. So I've always been around it, understood it. You know, I've worked with the strategy and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But like I said, I'm a research and data freak, so I've been really obsessed with that. And I don't really trade. I focus a lot on operations and running the firm really good because it takes a lot of time. It's a lot of work,
Yeah,
and it takes a lot to make people happy sometimes.
for
So
sure. Well,
I've
it
been
sounds
really
like your
working on that.
background kind of helps with that. You know, it sounds like you have the
Big
brain
time.
for
It
it.
really does.
So that's
Big time. I'm
good.
able to, when I first came in, I remember I was like, how can I make things easier without hurting the firm as well? Because it has to be a balance.
Yeah.
Firms are built for beginners who want to learn risk management. And you do have to filter out those who are like professional traders. A lot of people come in here and they get upset when they get moved to live because they have 10K in payouts, but they've only spent 300. And I'm like, dude,
And I mean,
you have a huge return
you're
on
like,
investment,
it
which we
kind of
already
makes sense
allowed.
to do that, bro. What do you mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
So
some
we've seen
people
that
just
multiple
don't,
times.
yeah, some people just don't take the time to realize the give and take. Like, dude, you can't have everything, bro. You
Yeah.
know, like if you want it to go your own way, then just use your own money.
Live
Don't use a
account,
prop firm.
exactly. Which is what I tell people all the
Yeah.
time. If you don't like our live rules, then I recommend that you take from a prop firm, and then when you're like done with it, use that money to open up your own live account. It'll be so much better. It'll be easier
Yeah.
because there's no limitations. It's just your own money though that you'll have to risk manage
Just gotta
rather
be
than the firm's
smart with
money.
it and not blow it up. Because if you're used to sim trading and you put 5K in a live account and you're not ready for losses, I mean, you could blow it all in one trade. So, I mean, you got to be very careful
Yeah.
with that too. I mean, firms is
Exactly.
a really good just educational tool, you know, to really
It
get
really
used
is.
to it.
It's really a beginner tool, and that's kind of what we built it for, to help beginners learn how to trade. And I think it's been successful. I think a lot of people have, been very happy with us, been very happy about our plans and making sure that they can handle risk. I think people can see the difference between consistency, setting their own daily loss limits, hitting profit targets, and keeping a buffer as well, because they understand like, oh, if I take a payout and I don't leave buffer, I'm going to blow that account.
Yeah.
And they don't like that.
For sure.
So every time something happens, it's a learning. It's a learning curve,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be helpful to everyone.
Yeah. So the thing, and I've had that thought go through my head where I'm like, man, dude, I should just trade a live account, like whatever. I'll just trade a live account. Then I'm like, well, actually, if you just follow the rules of prop firm accounts, they actually help you get like consistency, because that's what the rules are for. Like the rules are there. I mean, the rules are there for lots of reasons, but the rules are there to force consistent trading, not just lucky trades, right? Lucky outcomes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you don't want to follow the rules, then you can trade a live account on
Yeah.
your own. But for me, I
Exactly.
like the rules because Um, I'm like, hey, I'm green for the day. I'm gonna stop here because I got a consistency rule to follow, or um, maybe I have drawdown that I don't want to get into, and I just want to stop. Whereas on a live account, I'd be like, hey man, nobody's watching. Nobody's gonna hit me with a soft breach or a hard breach with what I
Yeah,
do right now. And so it's
exactly.
like maybe I will keep over trading, and then I'm building bad habits. Um, kind of like Tori was saying, like if you're not prepared and if you don't have that system down, you get on a live account, that's going to be a whole different ball
Yeah.
game. And so I
And,
don't I
we
don't
have
mind the
some bigger things planned
firms.
because, I mean, again, we're trying to be beginner friendly, and there's some people that want to trade that may not have funds from other countries or from wherever they're from. They work a lot, they don't have time. And we're trying to work on new processes. And, I'm kind of working on this kind of lab that's going to be on the dashboard where we're going to test out new plans that might be easier for traders who are struggling. So people that are consistently losing, to try to give them a chance to get a payout, even if it's smaller or something, so like they can feel that success, of course. But we're working a lot. We got a lot of ideas, a lot of big things coming out, such as reward systems, so people don't have to just be rewarded by payouts, but instead like
Hmm.
consistency. Again, we're trying to build up traders to be better.
Yeah.
So if a
Hey,
trader
dude, that
hits
sounds cool, man.
consistency multitude of days, they should get rewarded, in my opinion, as well as hitting their targets,
Sure.
whatever they do. And we're
Yeah.
kind of working towards that. It's a work in progress. It's a lot of building, a lot of work. But
Yeah,
I've been
I
working on
bet.
this since last October, so it's about to be a year since I came up with this idea.
Oh, so you've been really working on it. Damn. Uh,
It's
hang
gonna
on.
be
I
good.
want to answer a
And
couple
I
questions really
guarantee you,
fast.
FFF is gonna be the number one firm pretty soon. I can guarantee that. We've done a lot of big things. We're gaining hype already, and the new things that we're gonna drop soon are gonna gain even more hype. I do know that, so that should be fun.
Dude, I'm hyped. Hang on. Hang on, I got a few. Okay, talk about how you trade straight to funded. Oh, well, straight to funded, depending on the account size, we'll just go with 50K because that's what I have right now. How I would trade straight to funded is I would risk a max of probably about $350 per day. Maybe I don't risk that much per trade, but that's going to be my max loss per day. And I'm probably going to aim to go for um, 1 to 2R. I would prefer 2R. If you're consistently getting 2R and have at least a 50% win rate, um, picking a loss really doesn't set you back that much, especially if you manage your risk right. So for me, my risk management is always going to be number one. How much am I risking, and making sure I stop after that risk has been reached. So that's how I would trade a straight to funded. Maybe 1 to 2 trades a day. For me personally, if I get into 3 trades a day, um, I think my rational thinking starts lowering and my emotions start kicking more in because I'm just kind of, why am I still trading unless I'm thinking about something other than the money, right? So I might as well just stop. Like my trade has been taken, my TP's been hit, or stop loss has been hit. I love stopping for the day after that because I'm just like, cool, my job is done. I don't need to do anything else. So that's would be my approach for straight to fundeds. Evals, I would definitely risk more than that because don't want to spend too much time on it personally.
Yeah.
What
Lift it
was
for the
your
past.
Yeah. What was your lowest moment in trading? Oh boy. Okay. My lowest moment in trading. I had 3 top step um, fundeds, and I was one $200 day away from taking out 5K on all 3, so 15K payout. This is within my first 6 months of trading, so this is gonna be like a banger payout to take, right? Like I'm like so hyped. One $200 day is all I needed. And for some reason, I was still trading my normal risk size, which at that point in time, for some reason, was apparently 2 minis. So I had these accounts that are up, 3 accounts that are up, I think 13K in profit, somewhere around there each. And all I needed was that one $200 day. I took a trade, got wrecked. and went on mad tilt and blew all 3 of them in one sitting, bro. Just boom, 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 kept entering, changing, reversing, and I was like, no fucking way, bro. Like, pure
It starts to
gamble,
hurt.
pure
Like
gamble.
internally, you get like freaking
Dude,
upset. You know.
you get so mad because then you also start thinking, I know I shouldn't be doing this right now, and I still am. And so then you're like,
it's-
wow, what is wrong, dude? And then you're just like, ah. So that
Yeah,
was
That's awful,
I
the
told
lowest
man.
Dodgy, I texted Dodgy right now. I was like, "Hey, dude, I just found out there's people that met in your Discord now. They have twin daughters and they're married." He's like, "Oh, Amy and Oksana," and he's like, "Yeah,
Yep.
well, so he knows you
Yep.
guys. It's funny."
Yeah. So him and I and Amy, we text pretty regularly. At one point, I was an analyst for him in his server, so I would just live stream back
Okay,
testing, and
that's
sometimes I
awesome.
would do
Yeah,
London streams. So we know Dodgy pretty well. How long have
Dodgy's
you
a
been
good guy. He's
trading?
awesome.
He is. How long have you been trading? And can you tell me one big thing that helped you in your trading career? Last question. What was your biggest payout ever since trading? My biggest payout ever, I had a 10K a month last November, which was really fire. And um, it was like not even the whole month. It was like in a 2-week time span. And I was like feeling really good about that. What's the one thing that helped me in my trading career? Here, I'll show you. Look at my screen. This. This is the one thing that's helped me the most in my trading career, right? So this is my tilt check, right? So you heard my story about going on tilt.
Awesome.
So here's how we go about that, right? This is all it is one page. Okay, so use this worksheet after each trade to interrupt emotional reactions and reinforce disciplined decision making. So the moment TP, stop loss, break even hits, you leave the chart, you go to this, right? And then you just answer the questions to yourself. Okay, well, let's check the quality of the trade. Was it an A+ trade I'm proud of? Yes. Did the trade win? Yes. Was I patient enough to wait for a clean setup? Yes. If I continue trading now, will it help my long-term goals? No, probably not. Why this works. When your brain perceives danger, it shifts into fight, flight, or freeze. We all know what that is. We just might not recognize it at the time because of your brain is doing whatever it wants at that point. Once you get an emotional spike from trading, especially if it's a negative one, you've got I swear you've got 10 seconds or less to do something to get you away from reacting, right?
Yeah.
And it's really easy because most of us have our buy sell buttons sitting right here on the screen. So it's easy when it doesn't go your way to focus on this. What can I do? Well, I can press these buttons more to fix it. So you go straight to this instead. So here you answer the rest of the questions. If I'm green, what will I actually gain by trading more today? Probably just more risk, right? If you're going to keep trading, all you're really doing is adding more risk. You might think you'll make more money, but every time you take a trade, it's risk. That's the very first thing is risk. If I am red, how will I feel if I hit my daily loss limit? No way am I going to do that. How will I feel at the end of the day if I walk away right now? Proud of myself for doing my job and stopping, right? And then you got your final decision, walk away or take one more trade. And then only if all answers above support it. So
Awesome.
it's a
Awesome.
quick one page, right? And it doesn't take a long time. And by the time you've gone through that, you're kind of like,
Calm
all
down a
right.
little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You're
You're
gonna
like,
You're
be
not gonna be all
okay,
impulsive.
You're not
that was a
emotional.
good trade. Yeah, you're like, I followed my
Yeah.
model. It's just, it didn't work out this time. And that has saved me so many times. There's several people in my Discord that once we dropped that worksheet, they started getting payouts because you'd be surprised how often it's not the strategy that makes people blow up. It's like the strategy, low key, is probably the easiest part to learn. The hardest part is managing how you feel and your emotions and your risk while you're trading.
Yeah.
Do
And
I
then one
do I
thing,
ever
Anthony, if
feel
you could do this for us, could you drop an invite to your Discord? I mean, I'm sure people
sure?
want to join in and anything. Or Amy, if you're here and Anthony's
I
busy,
think she
I
left.
don't know your guys' Discord
Let's
or
see.
anything.
Yeah, let me do that.
I'm in it, guys, just so you know.
There's my Discord right there. Oh, I got
Oh,
warned.
11
Okay.
or King or
Oh,
anyone, can you guys help that
we
out
get
so
a
we can
7-week free
post it?
trial. Nah, you don't get a 7-week trial. I stream for free, bro. I don't charge my members.
Lifetime
I don't want or need your money.
Where's my mods? I need a mod.
I want people to succeed. I don't care about that. You don't have to pay for that.
Is any mod in here? Where are my mods at?
So if you just want a space to hang out and learn, yeah, it's a
Here, can you
lifetime free
send it? Yeah,
trial.
okay, I think Keen's got you.
All right.
Keen's one of our mods. He's gonna hit you up right now. Make it easy for you, so you can just drop it and it don't delete. Let him know when he's ready. By the way, we do have to leave in 13 minutes, just so you know. You are more than welcome to sit around and keep on talking if you'd like. Just operational wise, Tori and I do have to depart at 13 minutes.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Got a busy day ahead of us, building.
So
But we're more than excited about it.
Remove the Discord DG and send. Hang on, because I think there. What am I having for lunch? No trades. No, this is just pure chop. We're already done. What am I having for lunch? Either skirt steak or. Dang, good question. No, I don't know. I might have to bust the barbecue out for that skirt steak though. Do I have a cutoff time? I can sit here all day.
Yeah. He could sit there all day.
Five Guys is bomb. Every member I ever had was so successful they never charged me excessively to learn. Nah, I don't trade PM. Five Guys go stupid. Yeah, Five Guys is bomb.
I do like Five Guys. Yeah, what's your favorite place to eat at in Oregon?
My favorite place to eat at in Oregon. Damn. So if I had to go like out of well-known places, it would probably be like the Cheesecake Factory. I love the Cheesecake Factory. But if I gotta go with like somewhere that's cooler than that, there's this place. There's this place in Sun River, which is near where I live, and they have this. It's like it's a elk. It's a Wagyu elk boar burger.
Oh, that sounds good.
And it's like the best burger I've ever eaten in my whole life. I don't bother eating steaks when I go out because I feel like I cook them better at my house. So I'm not paying $60 for.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm like, nah. We got like a sous vide here. We go crazy with the cooking here. We get down. How do I join the Discord? I can't. I don't know if I can send the link yet or not. I don't want to get warned again and get like trubs.
Let me see if I can try to invite.
I can give you the link in your DM if that works.
Yeah, can you leave me the link? I don't think I'll get banned from my own Discord.
Oh yeah, it is also in my bio. I didn't think about that. So if you click on my yeah,
Okay,
even
good.
I'm
Guys,
a noob, dude.
I just dropped the link in the Discord. If you guys would like, go ahead and join just for some more info and free live trading with our buddy Anthony, one of our affiliates, really good affiliate, killer. I think his Discord's funny. I remember seeing some messages and he's like, "Oh, I didn't mean for you to see that." And I'm like, "It's all good, dude."
Yeah.
Hey, it's all about
Discord,
a good time.
Discord.
Discord's fun.
Yeah, dude.
Don't worry. If you're not here, Tori and I will just be fighting or something like that. You can ask that.
We're like pinging mods. I need help.
Yeah, for real. That's so fun. Guys, chat. Any other questions? Our buddy Anthony, we do have to leave in minutes, just so you know, or maybe a little bit earlier, but I'll keep you guys up there on that.
Dude,
longs play out, bro. I'm in longs right now.
We never hit 125 people watching us on YouTube.
So, hey, longs.
The price come back to VWAP every time before the U.S. market opens.
I don't know. I don't have VWAP.
Tori, you use VWAP?
No. from me.
Server going crazy. Raid alert. No way. That's funny.
That's funny. Raid alert.
Oi.
Crazy.
That's really funny. Why does it
What
say that? I've
does raid
never seen
even
that
mean?
before.
Is it just like spam or something?
Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. I've never seen that before.
I missed my entry talking smack in the chat.
Mr. Entry talking shit in the chat.
Market has not been the best, guys. All right, so what is your favorite FFF plan, Anthony?
Straight to
Have you seen our
fundeds.
plans? Do you know our
Easy.
plans that well? I don't know if you know them, but we've made
Yeah,
some
so
we
for
made some
me,
good changes.
I just love direct fundeds, but if I had to pick a different one, it'd probably be the Premier because let's see.
Yeah, we made a change to our website.
Yeah, it's clean actually.
You like it?
I do. Damn, this is real clean. How did I not notice this? When did you implement this?
We did it on like Saturday.
Days ago, yeah, Saturday.
Saturday? Oh, okay. It's because I got my account on Thursday and I'm like,
Look,
it did not
click
look
on
like
more.
this.
Click on more. You can see a picture of us. Go to about. There's a team.
Yup.
Right there.
Hey. Squad right there. Dude, this is clean.
That's my pops, just so you know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dude, it's a family business.
So
That's
yeah, if you
fire.
if you see the premiere right there, anyone could watch the 90-second explainer. You don't have to click on it, but if you go down, if you
Oh,
keep scrolling down, Plus plan is every single one of our plans has an explainer now, which is
damn.
kind of cool. Right there, you can click on Premiere Plus
That actually is really smart.
on the challenge
Right
selector.
here.
No, go down. Right there, Premiere Plus, and you're able to see like the rules. There's a fast pass on the right, standard, which is like the standard that every other firm has.
So I did
Ours is a
notice the
fast
fast pass.
Yeah. So it's nice because all these other firms have the standard plan. It's like this is the best plan in the world.
Okay.
Ours is fast pass because it has 1 day to pass with 5 trades a day, 5 days of trading and no consistency on eval or funded. No one else has
Oh
that.
wait.
Only FFF.
So when you go to the funded, you actually give more drawdown. Do you guys see that? So they give you more drawdown when you get funded. That's fire.
Yeah. Whether you do intraday or end of day, the funded becomes the same and call end of day.
Damn.
Yeah, the end of day drawdown evals are a little tighter
And
versus
end of day
intraday,
is
but the
king.
drawdown's bigger. Yeah, the funders are same for both.
End of day is king. Dude,
Yeah, there's no
lately
other
I've
plan
been
with the
like
fast
wanting to
pass.
trade
It's the
bigger
best part.
accounts.
It's fun.
I like bigger accounts, I think. Let's see. Should have held your longs. Oh, are we pumping?
You can copy trade with Trade Syncer. You could use anything at your own discretion, and we don't track VPNs anymore. So you are more than welcome to use a VPN. Just don't use it to log in.
What up, 10
just
head?
to make sure that we're not in your we can see that you're not in a banned country because a lot of people use VPNs when they're in restricted countries, which is bad. But as long as you log in, you could turn on your VPN or VPS if that helps you trade better, and you're more than welcome to use that. It was everyone's most suggested thing that we would flag on, and we're like, okay, guys, since you're suggesting it, we did it.
Do me a solid and try and post your. David posted it right up here, so let me just bump it.
I can do it again. There we go.
It's right there. Why end of day doesn't trail down?
Nothing trails down.
Yeah, what?
I mean, yeah, it kind of does, but at the end of the day,
Transfer my line. That's always
on my fund to get transferred to my
that's
life
always
or
the
paid
question.
out. None. That's always a question, but no firm does that. It's a little different because each of them, these are just sim accounts, so it's not real profit no matter what until you go to live account. Beta testing hasn't started yet.
Probably the next week. Honestly.
It depends per user, per payout, and per amount of accounts that you have. It's different for everyone. Live accounts are made specific user. So, and I don't have a structure for it. Again, it's different literally for everyone. Yeah, we have made a new platform, and we are trying to beta test it. We haven't started that yet because it's not done yet, but once it's done and released, we're gonna be entering 100 people a day. Lucid does not. They move you into a live account with different things and different structures. And then TossUp has their own platform as well. So they're a little different. But we're FFF. So if you want to trade with us, you're more than welcome to. If not, you can go to Lucid or TossUp as well. I don't force anyone to stay at FFF. I think that people like us because of our plans and what we've done. So, and I don't think we're going to change much of it because it's going well and people are really liking what we do. So when people always bring up other friends sometimes, I'm like, whatever. Use them until you get capped. And then when you get capped, you're gonna come over here either way.
It warned me again, King.
I just dropped it down. Yes, we are gonna have an event in Miami.
Hey.
We're gonna be going to maybe a couple events in Miami, and then we're gonna do our own little thing for our traders. I do believe just like a one-day lunch thing or something like that. Not in India, no, Miami. And then we are gonna take the VIPs out. We're gonna do a lot of stuff. I think we're gonna try to spend a little bit of time.
Drinks on Tori.
No drinks. No drink. I don't know. No drinks. So
Will Anthony be there?
All right, guys. Well, that is about to conclude the end of Tori and I. Anthony, you're more than welcome to stay and chat with the chat. Talk to them a little bit more. They have questions and what's it called? If you see a trade,
Giveaway.
take a trade. I mean, I don't think you will, but
yeah, this is kind
it
of
should be good.
What do you guys want to do?
But if you want to hop off with us, you're more than welcome to as well. We'll drop more info about Miami when we get there, guys, but we don't have anything yet done for India, for Miami. We're more focused on London because we're going to be going to London in like 2 months. So if you're from London, let us know.
London would be fire.
Yeah, we're going to London in 2 months to do an event. So it should be fun. It's a proper expo event.
Did you miss a trade? Nah.
Yeah,
so
it's in October.
The only trade I'll take right now is if we manipulate down and sweep this data low and then we get a long setup. That's all I'm looking for. Because I want us to take this data low. I'm not going to take any trades in between the data high and the data low. Data low. What up, Nate?
And then 007, yeah, we're trying to get our own warehouse here in California. A nice big old warehouse where we can do events too. But all right, guys, I do have to head on out of here. Tori does too. But Anthony, thank you so much for your time, man. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for having me.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
Just text me when you're done, and then we'll chat after that and see what we do next.
All right. Cool, bro.
All right. Thank you, Anthony.
What do you guys want to do, chat? Because I'll hop off. But if you guys are... Drop the care routine first. Coffee and water.
This content is presented by Funded Futures Family for educational and entertainment purposes only. This live show does not provide financial or investment advice. Futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. All trades, analysis, market opinions, and commentary reflect personal perspectives only and may change without notice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Simulated performance results have inherent limitations and do not represent actual live trading. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions, risk management, and results. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any trading decisions. Viewing this content does not create a client, advisory, or fiduciary relationship. This content